Hello to everyone. It's time before heating of the house. I have here temperature 23.6 Celsius and I need to prepare the equipment for the working. But as you can see, I have the big problem with the quality of the water in the system. I'm not able to read anything on this wall because the water is red. So I have to do something with this. And first of all, what I need to do is, because I want to input biocid, some chemicals for improvement of the water. So first of all, I closed this wall. Okay, now I prepare here something for the water and close this wall also. And now I need just the key and to open this. Now I have water here. This water. I'm going to input inside this biocid. It's special chemicals for the system. You can see quality of the water inside. Please, if you have the same problem as me, please write a comment and write how did you solve this problem, this issue, because I think that quality is really wrong. But pH is about 9, number 9, so I think that pH is good, but the quality of the water is catastrophic. Right now I am able to input this special chemical inside, so I need to do this something like this. Okay, now just return back the screw. And okay, we can now open again the wall. Open it right now. And what I have to do is open also this. Now it's open, full. And now waiting and cleaning the filter every 2 weeks. And then we can check if we improve the quality of the water. You can check my video next time, about next 2 weeks. And we will see together if it's better or not. And please write your comment if you have the same problem and how did you solve it, because I hope that this helped me. See you in the next video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.